Clean water and medication are among the important things to secure when you're preparing for severe weather conditions, such as a tropical storm or hurricane. Pay attention as we share a few useful tips on these, as well as advice for pregnant women and persons with chronic illnesses. Persons with chronic illnesses such as diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, and asthma are reminded to have an adequate supply of medication on hand. If they have to evacuate their homes, they must ensure that they take their medication with them to the place of shelter. They should continue to take their medications as prescribed by the doctor while away from home. Having an igloo with ice for medication needing refrigeration is recommended. Also, persons with chronic illnesses must keep regular eating and medication schedules and ensure they have received adequate nutrition and hydration. If a storm is on the way, medical experts recommend that all pregnant women who are within 1 month of their delivery date should relocate to family or friends who are in close proximity to a hospital or delivery center. If you must evacuate your home when disaster threatens, certain items should be taken with you. Medical supplies, including over-the-counter and prescription medications, dentures, and first aid kit items such as bandages and rubbing alcohol. Also take along basic disaster supplies, including flashlights, batteries, radio, and bottled water. You'll also need clothing and sanitation supplies, such as diapers, toilet tissue, soap, and feminine hygiene products. Keep a bag with supplies for the emergency evacuation from your home. This should include only non-perishable items and special foods like baby formula. And while these are not strictly for health purposes, it's also recommended to travel with important family documents like birth, marriage, death certificates, passports, land titles, and immunization cards, as well as games, books, and other items for your entertainment. With the threat of power outage and water shortage during or following a storm, food safety takes an added importance. Do not store food items with chemicals such as kerosene, bleach, detergents, and insect sprays. Do not purchase food from tins which have signs of dents, bulges, or other damage. Keep food in a dry and cool place. And store sugar, flour, rice, and crackers in their original packages or in tightly closed containers. Lock-offs are likely in a storm. Plus, flood rains can wash sediments into the water supply. So, store water for domestic use in a clean, covered container. Ensure the lid fits tightly to prevent mosquito breeding. Do not use containers that have previously stored harmful chemicals. Use a clean container with a handle to dip up water from storage. Treat the water with bleach or by boiling for safe use. For further information and health advice to prepare for severe weather conditions, please contact the Ministry of Health and Wellness's Emergency Operations Center at 888-1-LOVE. That's 888-663-5683. Or visit www.mohw.gov.jm.